Hey there, good morning. This is Akko on the Mediterranean Sea of northern Israel. Just spent 2 nights here. I am all packed up, as you can see, heading out for another totally unknown day of traveling in Israel, but there are specific parameters that will determine where I end up. The main one being that tomorrow I have a flight out of Ben Gurion International Airport around 7 in the evening, so have all day tomorrow, but flying out of Ben Gurion involves security checks, long lines. Last time I got almost messed up by them, and so this time I'm going to make sure and arrive early. So point being, today is basically the last day in Israel. A short trip, partly because, as I showed, I went to Palestine for 4 days and then just wanted to kind of pop into Israel and explore a little bit, but it wasn't really the plan to stay for a while in Israel. Where I'm flying tomorrow, I'm gonna keep it a secret for now, but I'm quite excited about it. Somewhere that I've been before but haven't really properly explored, and should be very, very interesting. So I really don't know what's going to happen today. Ideally, I managed to rent a car which I can return in Tel Aviv. These alleyways are really interesting, artistic. Meow. Oh. Whoa. I did not discover any of this in my time in Acre. So the plan for today was to go to a couple of the places that I didn't see yesterday, hoping that I can actually get in with the big backpack. We'll see, but let's take a look at this. So the ideal would be to rent a car here in Akko and return it in Tel Aviv. I think that is unlikely because there was only one rental car place coming up on Google, which I will walk over to because fortunately it is on the way to the bus station, although I might take a train. Ideally, need to find out where the train station is, hopefully near the bus station. But if I'm not able to rent a car here, then the next hopeful plan will be to rent a car in Haifa and then return it in Tel Aviv, which seems a lot more likely. And then if I am able to rent a car, then we will go to some really cool places If not, then I will just get off in Haifa, explore around there a bit, and then... Good morning. Probably just go to Tel Aviv. Okay, boom. This is one of the things that I wanted to see. And then just go to Tel Aviv and show a bit more of the city. I've been there already, but more to see, of course, but hopefully we can see some other places. Okay, let's see if I can go in here with all my stuff. The Templar Tunnel. The Templars were knights, monks, solitary soldiers. They lived in the country many years ago. So Akko here was one of the main destinations for the Crusaders coming from Europe, trying to take back the Holy Land from the Muslims who had settled here. Back in the 12th, 13th centuries, the Templars were the keepers of the temple in Jerusalem. That is why they called them by this name. The role of the Templars was also to protect the Christians who came to the Holy Land against burglars and thieves. In Akko, the Templars lived in a citadel, a big building with a wall. The Templars dug the secret tunnel underground, right under the city houses. The tunnel connected the citadel to the port of Akko. It's 150 meters long. It was discovered only in 1994. And here we go. So you come out a different place, I think over by the sea. And then from there, I will, oh boy. Ay. Oh no, this is actually like really problematic. If I didn't have the backpack, it would still be a pain. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like crawl. Let's hope that the whole thing isn't like this. Oh jeez. I don't know if it's worth it. Oh, does it get to... It looks like it gets maybe taller up ahead. If it's just going through a tunnel. Okay, it's getting better. Excellent. If it was a matter of having to crouch down like that the whole way, I would have just gone back because it was just really awkward with the backpack. It isn't very long, but very, very interesting. The history here is crazy. And it looks like that's the end. It only takes a couple of minutes. I guess you can go in either way, since there are two tunnels. Yeah. Okay. We're back where I filmed yesterday. My accommodation there. That's where I started the video, of course. Just leaving the guest house. And then we'll walk back through the harbor area, and there was something else to see along the way. So here we have the Seawall Promenade and St. John Church, which I didn't see before. So let's do this walk. I guess that is the church there. Looks like a closed church. Ooh. Yes, hello. Good morning. Pardon all the luggage, but How are
Where are
you?
you coming?
Well, I'm from the United States.
States?
Yeah.
Good.
And you? From
I'm
Akko?
Italian.
Italian, okay.
Yes, but in the States I have my brother in Springfield, Massachusetts.
Who was there in Springfield?
No, this is my...
You've been there.
No, but my brother.
Your brother lives there.
Yes.
I see, okay. My family came from Italy.
What?
I'm 1/4 Italian. My family came from South Italy.
From which part of Caserta?
A very small village, very far south. I have the name of it written down somewhere, but I
Sicilia,
forget.
Calabria,
Near Sicily, yes.
Sicily.
Yeah, very far south along
I'm
there.
from Napoli.
I see. Great. Yes, I've been there.
Welcome.
Amazing city. Cool. Thank you.
Welcome.
Do you know when it was built? When the church was built?
Yeah, this is about St. John.
But which time frame that it was built? Like Crusades?
This church is during the Crusade.
It was Crusades church. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
We're coming the era from Persian between the 5th century, no, 5th century.
There was something in the 5th century here
Yes.
also, a
Yes,
Christian
it was,
Byzantine.
They're coming from Persia, destroyed everything Christians.
Yeah,
And
like the Greeks.
yes.
Greeks?
No, this is from Europe.
But from...
Latin.
Oh, okay.
Christian.
Yes.
And coming in after in 1217, coming here St. Francis of Assisi.
Oh,
And,
St.
yes,
Francis of Assisi came here.
Yes.
Wow.
But it was destroyed everything. And after the friars in 15th century, no, 12th century, something else, they rebuilt. And like this.
Okay.
And we found that now we're walking down, we discovered something down.
I see.
Slowly.
Very interesting history.
But very well, this a good church.
Yeah, it's a beautiful style.
Yes, this is
Amazing
classic
construction.
style.
Yeah.
Classic style. Yeah, like this was to be for the confession.
I see.
Yeah,
That's the confession booth built inside the wall.
But at the same time, took the force of the support the roof.
Okay,
You know.
I see. But you live in Akko now?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
in Acre. We have the school.
Oh,
Parish,
okay.
School and the monastery.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice.
Oh, now I come. You want to take a picture with you? Give me. You got here.
Okay.
What?
It's on video, so you can just,
video?
Yeah, so you can just point it.
Where I?
You don't have to, it's going, I started it, so. Okay, here I am in St. John the Baptist Church, built in the 12th century about.
Yeah?
Here in Akko, part of the history of the Crusaders. Amazing.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you very much. Too.
Have a great day.
Okay, God bless you.
Thanks. You too. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. The Mediterranean Sea is looking very enticing. Where I'm going next, I will definitely be swimming in it. One of the things that I am very much looking forward to, haven't done any swimming in a while. Okay, looks like we will end up down there and then go through the tunnel again into the very bustling harbor area. Much quieter now than it was the last two times that I was here, on Friday evening and Saturday afternoon. It is a Sunday, so I wasn't quite sure what to expect, but apparently Sunday is the quiet day around here. Maybe it will be more busy in the evening. If we are to live together in peace, we must know each other better. Do your best to make the world a better place. So let's walk through the old city and then exit out the main gate and go visit something else and then investigate the rental car situation. So where I'm trying to get to is the Knights Hall, which is still inside the old town here. There is quite a lot to explore here in Akko. I keep finding new places that I hadn't seen in the past couple of days. Wow, okay, here's the market. It smells very fishy. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm trying to get that way. Or is it a dead end? Oh, hello. Oh, no, okay. Shukran. Just an absolutely incredible old town here. One of the best. Okay, there is the entrance into the mosque. I won't attempt to go inside, but beautiful. Whatever that is that a fountain inside it? Looks like it. So there is also a Turkish bazaar, not sure if I've been there, and a Turkish bathhouse. Templar Tunnel, that's what we saw. Synagogue. Okay, we have arrived at the Turkish bathhouse, and my ticket covers all of the major sites here. So is this the entrance? Huh, I guess so. Hello. Yes. So I'm not seeing exactly where we are, but we must be somewhere around there. The old city here. And then the modern city up there. So the old city is populated 95% Arabic people, and then the new city is mostly Jews.
Put in the ear, please.
And so here we have the Crusader Citadel and the Knights Hall. Wow. This city is so much more amazing than I even thought when I first arrived. So much to explore. I mean, look at this, just absolutely lovely, peaceful, nice and cool garden area with these, whatever these trees are, sort of like banyan trees, but maybe something different. And then a big square. Gift shop there. And I guess this is the Knights Hall here. Whoa. So here you can see all of the various rooms and I guess the excavations. The first one in 1921. They did a good job at restoring it. In the 12th to 13th century, towered the fortress of the Order of the Knights of the Hospital of St. John, who were based in Akko until the Muslim conquest of the city in 1291. So that basically ended the Crusades when Akko fell back to the Muslims. Well, that was absolutely incredible. So originally then I was planning to make the walkthrough of Akko just the beginning of a video, but I ended up filming a lot more than expected. So I'm going to finish this video here and start another one showing whatever ends up happening today. So that is all for now. More coming from Israel.